We are on our way to the field trip. Which kid? Behind her? No, Miss Mikowski.
He let you bring one?
Miss Meyer. Miss Meyer.
It's for the yearbook.
Can I go run and go get one? With asada. Slay. Oh, okay. So we are on our way to the bus outside of Alexander Hamilton High School. We'll move the Wildcats. And we are currently going to the bus.
You said that like 50 times.
We are currently on our way to the play. Okay, so we are here.
Hello, good morning. I'm Elena.
That's what we're gonna go on. I'm sorry.
Are you Kiara? Yeah. Oh my god, you remember? I have something for you.
So this is the first setup. It hasn't started. It's going to start at 11. And currently it's Hamilton. Is that Emerson?
That's Reagan.
That's Reagan.
Girl, you wanna be in the vlog? Hi guys. So right now we're with Shalili, Takaya, Naya, Kimani. Okay, y'all. So we're at a play right now. And we're waiting for it to start. And guys, I thought it was gonna be a movie. Like I was all geeked up, ready to sit down and chill. But it's a play, so like a full-on play. It's crazy. Look at the other schools. So cute. Okay, bye guys.
Okay, so I had to restart, but this is the setup. And it starts at 11 and it's currently 10:36. And that's Reagan, that's Rufus, and we're Hamilton. Go Wildcats.
Feel free to cry, etc. But make sure that those around you are feeling comfortable to do so as well. Please no food in the theater. Drinks are okay, but please no food. If you want to have a snack, you're welcome to step into the lobby at intermission. For intermission, there's going to be one intermission at the middle of the show.
Let it out long enough to teach us some steps. Chain it back up. When it gets the hang of the dance, and the trainer's whip ensures that it does, they place it in front of several thousand wild, screaming people. One day, the elephant freaks, swings its old trunk back, lets out a terrifying bellow, dances a few steps that were not part of the trainer's choreography, then sits on the trainer. Nothing wrong with your hands.
I did the mopping.
One.
Ain't enough?
Two.
Ain't enough? I'll win. I'll go to bed.
Loan.
Strictly the rules, no bank loan.
We've been playing bank loans all along. Okay. I'd like to make a loan for $4,625.
Can't make no loan extra what you need.
Currently in intermission.
Are we leaving?
And we're gonna leave at 1. And everyone, I think Rufus is leaving right now.
For 5 minutes time, I give you $5 for 5 minutes of silence. Give you $20 for 10.
Liar, you don't have $20. You're just mad because I'm telling you what you don't want to hear.
Can y'all do something for me? Can y'all be like, oh, good morning, Hamilton, this is your morning announcements?
I got you, baby.
Okay.
Good morning, Hamilton.
This is your morning announcement.
announcement.
Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Hamilton. This is your morning announcement.
Thank you. Okay, so we just left the next act. And yeah, we on our way to McDonald's.
Oh my.
That's my sugar mommy. She paying for me. Okay. So we're walking back to school after eating a good McDonald's. Get out my thing.
Oh my god.
And behind us is Vanya.
Let me put me in.
So we're literally like right by this part. And I think this should be a safety hazard. I don't know, like this is scary. So we're still walking back. We are almost there, but not almost, but we're almost there. So we'll be back around like 3 o'clock or 2 something at least, at most at that. So yeah, we are walking and we'll get you back when we're at school. Okay, we're back at Hamilton, the home of the Wildcats, and yeah. Look at beautiful Hamilton. Currently walking, and I still have to go get my stuff. So yeah, we're on our way home. Home. Okay, I'm sorry, but we're on our way back home. We're the home of the Wildcats. That is